Hello diamond painters, I'm back with another unbagging, whatever you want to call it. This one I got off of Aliexpress with coins. How much it was before coins, I do not know. Usually I'm more prepared for these things, but if you've been watching my videos, you know I've been gone for a couple weeks. And my mind's not all fully here. It's finally getting back to normal though. Plus I haven't, basically I have not filmed a video in almost 2 months. I uploaded them to automatically come up on YouTube once a week because I recorded so much in a couple of weeks in June that in July I did not film one video. And then, yes, I did one right before 4th of July, so I'm lying, sorry. So about a month and a half I haven't filmed a video. But let's get into it, enough blah 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 blah. So it was an AliExpress. It's from the Huacan factory store. It's supposed to be a square, a full square, which I'm scared to do, but I think Huacan fix their problems. It's 30 by 40. We'll find out how many colors. I ordered it on 7/18. It shipped on 7/20. I got it on my birthday. It came in the mail. I put it right on my desk, and then we left to go to Connecticut. It's called Flowers. It cost me $3.20 with my coins from AliExpress. So we're gonna jump into this and check this one out. I'm gonna have a strange feeling. I have to put you guys on pause because my 5-year-old is already acting like she can't deal with life over there on the couch. So let's get into this. She's playing with the piano. Alright, we got a crunky crinkle there. Make sure there's nothing else in here. Nope. Alright, so yeah. Looked like someone tried to karate chop it in half, so that's what it is. I love flowers. So let's see. We have the Huacan toolkit with the 3-placer. Looks like a 6-placer, chunk of wax. Nope, that's a 9-placer, sorry. The little straight tip tweezers, no baggies. Hold on. Okay, I hope you guys don't mind the piano. But this is a square drill. This drills look fine for now, but we'll get into them more when I do inventory. So let's open this little booger up. It's 35 colors. That's a 30 by 40. Look at the weird symbols. I do have some 310s, only 259 of them. I could deal with that. Let's see. 738. Looks like I have a little over 1800. So far, that looks like the color I'll have the most of. 817. I think that's a reddish color, maybe. Well, we'll see. So yeah, a little bit of weird symbols here and there. All right, sorry about that. She came in the playroom, which is where the drafting table is. All right. Now we got a piece of tape on here, which I rather have the tape than those rubber bands because sometimes those rubber bands, I think, dig into it more. But I know the tape's a little annoying because you can't find where it starts. So I'm trying to gently get in here, but I got thick old scissors here. All right. Not working for me. Where do you start? And I cut all my nails, as you guys can see. So I think it starts here. Oh, how dare I struggle for minutes on this while you guys watch. All right, there we go. Yay! Okay. All right, let's unravel this. crinkled up in the middle mess over here. Take out this foam roller. Alright, let's buddy breathe. Alright, let's look at the back real quick. They give you so much leadway on the side, you see? That's a good like 1.5 or more of just canvas. Alright, I'm gonna start undoing this. I'm basically wrapped around the tripod doing this. The tripod's right in the middle, like right here, and so bear with me. I just like to see what I'm filming so I know everything's in angle. So that's why it's kind of awkward for me. I would have done a video on my birthday for this on August 1st before we left, but I had no privacy at all. And I don't mind doing it with my little one around. I just, with my husband and my oldest one, no. So let's see. Alright, last one. And I'm gonna have a problem trying to get this back down. And that's the only reason why I don't like sections. I used to love them until I found out I am terrible at putting the sections back down. Let's see what we got going on here. So I'm gonna move the tripod, so bear with me. I'm gonna put it on this side of the table, so you guys can get a better look here. So yeah, let's look at the symbols. Nice and clear. It doesn't look like I'll have any problems reading it, or I don't think I have any up or down arrows or side to side arrows that will confuse me, to be honest. Oh, I do have them, but they're actually different. The up arrows are thicker and the side to side arrows are very thin. So that's one way to identify them, so I don't get confused when I have to flip this one way and put it another way. And so, oops, sorry, I hit the tripod. I'm trying to put this back down, which, like I said, I'm gonna have issues anyway. Let's see. Let me fix it real quick. I just want to get it back down. I know this one is crooked. I knew it as soon as I started putting it back down that I was gonna have issues here. Okay, let's get this one back up. La-da-dee, la-da-dum. Thank you for dealing with my craziness. All right. It doesn't look like I had any bubbles or anything, even though it looked like, oh, come on. It looked like it was karate chopped, apparently. There. All right. Let's see what we got going on with this end real quick, so it can lay down completely flat. Get some of these little, see, now it's not straight. That's something I don't like. I'm noticing I have like, it's like weird trying to lay it flat, but it leaves a bubble underneath the canvas cover right there. Oh, annoying. So let's try to pick this all up. See if I could get it. So that's the other half. Let's see if I get this to lay down flat. I ruined it. Alright, I don't want to spend all day with you cover, so let's get moving here, okay? I want to get into this inventory. Now, see when you just tell it how it is and it finally works for you. So, yeah, even though it looked like it got beat up right here in the middle, I don't see any issues besides, you know, a little bubbling underneath. It won't like completely flat. But let's take a look at these drills real quick. Let's see if they look like they have any issues. And then I'll let you guys go. I know it's like normal diamond painting videos are so long, especially drills are like short. Because they're so easy to be like, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here we go. So I don't see anything on these. I don't see any spurs. Sorry, I keep hitting the camera. I don't see anything. This one right here looks like it might have a cavity. Let's look at a bag with less in it. No, I don't really see much. Maybe this one right here has a little thing sticking out. But I don't think I'll have any problems. So I'm going to stick you guys on pause and do inventory real quick. Okay. So here we are. All the drills, 35 colors. The most I had was 817, which is this pinkish red color. So that's pretty. But yeah, that's it. Everything's here. I had no problem with inventory. The least I have is this color. It says it only needs 16, so they only gave me 20. So I hope I have enough, because when they're that low and it doesn't look like a lot, it kind of scares you. But I know that there's probably more than 20 in there. Hopefully I do not regret getting a square from Huacan. Like I said, I was looking at the drills. Of course, you got some mixed up. Oh, and just look, learn how to multitask. I don't see any issues. They look pretty good. They don't look oily. They don't look like they have anything sticking out the sides of them. So I hope it's good. Yeah, so that's about it. And just, I hope, because I know I have one more square in my stash. And it's probably going to be a disaster because that was from last fall when Huacan was having those issues. So, yeah. But that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. I hope you enjoyed the video. And keep on diamond painting. Bye.